Hello, my name is Mbanefo Chinonyelum. I'm the co-founder CEO of Cubeseed Africa. Cubeseed is a trusted B2B marketplace for bulk protein supply, connecting commercial livestock farmers to food businesses like restaurants, hotel, and cold room operator. Buyers are guaranteed high quality products and reliable supply at farm gate price and also access to credit, and sellers are guaranteed offtake of their products with instant payments without disrupting the operation through delays of payment or them chasing after their capital. So trade actually fails at 78%, and this is due to lack of trust. There's a trust deficit in the livestock industry. I've lived this experience. I've lost over 300 million naira worth of venture to middlemen. We are engaged we are engaged in the production and processing of broiler for poultry meat. We engage in the production, processing, and distribution, and we operate from rural areas, so we had to depend on middlemen to access market. So we are positioning to build that stock exchange for livestock that drives confidence for buyers and sellers to trade. And it is important to mention that we are building an infrastructure for Nigeria's $47.5 billion market economy. And this trust layer or trust machine we're building, we are focusing on ensuring transparent transactions. We don't own farms currently, and we are focused on building a trust and transaction layer that guarantees transparent transaction. We are doing this in partnership with Sterling Bank, who provide us with wallet systems, embedded financing, which is the buy now pay later services, and escrow that ensure that there is confidence on our platform. We also have an AI matching system that shrinks discovery of users, like either buyers or sellers, from 3 days minimum to 3 seconds. And with our buy now pay later services, buyers are able to access products without delaying payments to farmers. Okay, we're also driving conversations with Bank of Agriculture to ensure that primary producers, the farmers, are able to access credit. And with our ongoing partnership discussion with NISA PLC that guarantees, agricultural financing for farmers, we are onboarding them on our platforms to be able to facilitate trade. And of course, we are also working with NAIC, which is an agricultural insurance company, to ensure that there is risk proof on our platform basically. Of course, there are farmers who might not connect to internet. We are using the USSD solution to capture farmers who are without smartphones, over 80% of them. So we are also working on that. And why we are very confident, because we've done a number of iterations. Our first launch generated over 27 million naira order in 1 week. That exposed high demand of product, and also we understood there is seasonality, and therefore with our cluster management system we are able to drive aggregation of farmers in different locations to service purchase order. This will drive confidence of supply on our platform. And our numerous partnership is all about building confidence, and we currently have over 500 farmers on our wait list, and over 60 distributors and 7 cooperatives that are waiting our relaunch of our third iteration, which is about over 78% readiness to launch. Again, it is important to inform that this solution will drive over 27% increase in the farmer's income, and also reduction of waste, right? Because we route farmers to processing plants automatically, ensuring that upon harvest, birds have been harvested, or livestock have been harvested and processed, in conditions that improve the shelf life, and distribute to buyers automatically. So, why marketing edge? We're a tech company, and of course, we need user acquisition. We also drive conversion of our wait list into active users, and access to your program will facilitate and initiate this success. We are very confident to scale in terms of user acquisition to over 1,000 by the end of 24 months, and in 12 months we are very confident to drive a monthly recurring revenue of $150,000 with just 100 buyers onboarding our platform who demand a minimum of 5 tons per week. And with this access of your program, we're able to secure what we need in terms of finance, in terms of marketing, to expand across 8 states. And we also need to mention that our transaction efficiency is about 8:1 lifetime value ratio CAC. And we are asking for your support to help us build our content engine to drive and convert wait lists to acquire more users to our platform. And we are very confident to break even in 12 months. And we are targeting to capture a minimum of 10% of the market, which is about $626 million market opportunity. We are building a resilient food security for Africa. We've lived this problem. We built the tech. We've secured the bank. With marketing edge, we are ready to scale. And this we cascade to, income improvement for both the sellers, both the buyers. We're also driving employment, youth inclusiveness, youth and women inclusiveness, and of course that is a very strong social impact. And also we are driving a lot of training for our users in terms of adoption of climate change, resilience strategies and practices. We are very confident that our solution is the one that will drive food security, right? The days of delayed payments or farmers chasing after their payment as we experienced will be off, because with our escrow system, before farmers move their product from their cold room to the buyers, they have received an alert that says payment is secured in escrow. That gives them confidence to deliver. And of course, buyers are very confident of not losing their capital, because previously a lot of our users or those who have spoken with experience poor quality supply, which also cascade into damaging the buyer's brand image. So with our platform, buyers can order confidently because they have quality guarantee. Payments are only released to farmers upon product delivery and product quality confirmation. So Cubeseed is the product we wish existed when we ran our own poultry commercial farm in rural area. And we've sampled the opinions of users on our platform, and they are waiting to get the third iteration of our product to scale their growth. With marketing edge, this dream comes true. And we have a very solid team. I have a CTO, that is the Chief Technology Officer, by name Akim Swara, who was one of the founding software developers for the unicorn Money Point. He has vast experience in the fintech product. And I also have a Chief Product Officer. Her name is Eloho Ebiroma. She has worked for the likes of Jumia and Now and others, renowned tech products. And she's also a data expert or data specialist. So we are very confident as a team to drive this solution. We are very confident by this solution. A lot of farmers, a lot of buyers, we have a very transformed experience. They're able to trade poultry or all type of protein confidently without seasonalities, without fear of loss of capital. With Cubeseed, we are a trusted partner for farmers' growth and food business growth. And we edge, with marketing edge, this reality comes earlier than expected. Thank you very much. I remain Mbanefo Chinonyelum, co-founder, CEO of Cubeseed Africa. Thank you.